We believe anything that moves in the future could be electric and also autonomous. We expect about 3 million electric car sales in 2019. We expect this number to rise to up to 10 million electric cars. By 2025, we expect anywhere between 25 to 35% of all cars sold could be electric. So this also includes hybrid numbers. We need a good mix of on-site, public and private charging network. We also need ultra-fast charging network. And it's important that we have that in abundance to ensure we have electrification of the transport network.
I think it's matching supply and demand is the biggest challenge in the future charging market. How do we get the infrastructure in place at a pace which is in line with the demand for that? And the biggest challenge for that is vehicles and the number of vehicles on the road. The more the OEMs can deliver accessible vehicles, the more likely it is we'll get to a successful solution. Partnerships are going to be absolutely critical to success. We can play in certain areas of the value chain. We have big gaps in other areas of the value chain as we look at the way this market is going to evolve.
So very important for the future electrification is to increase efficiency, performance and lifetime, and you have to invest in an efficient thermal management on the battery itself, because batteries are very expensive. It becomes cheaper, but also if you can increase with the same batteries the lifetime because of thermal management, then it's very good. Now we need these cars with bigger batteries, but in the future we will think we will change this because infrastructure will come, and yes, also small cars with small batteries, but capability to fast charge, this will be a key also to make a mass volume on electric cars.
What we are seeing with use cases is life of battery, being able to do predictive analytics of what distance you're traveling, on a road, on a trip, and how many electric vehicle stations are along the way, and then can you pull over and how long it's going to take. But also, how does a customer use that time? So if you're stopped at an electrical vehicle at a charging station, what else is nearby that customers want to find ways to integrate? But what we're also seeing across the ecosystem isn't just automotive makers interested in these use cases, but rather the energy providers and utilities that are trying to find partnerships with automakers to make the electrical vehicle experience better. And being able to do data analytics in the cloud and being able to show some use cases quickly, it goes back to quickly innovating in the cloud. So when you have these unique partnerships coming together and they want to work through a proof of concept, isn't it so much easier to do that in a cloud environment than trying to do it in one of their own environments? And they can do it quickly.